This is a set on problem solving. I'm Steph. Let's get into it. Problem solving goes beyond maths equations at school. It's the process of finding solutions to challenges presented in everyday life. When at work, problem solving is a key skill that employers may ask you to show your experience and understanding of. They can ask you at first in your job interview, then on a regular basis when you have the job. Problems come in all shapes and sizes. The ability to solve them is a core skill, not just in work, but in life. When working through solutions to problems, you can easily call on examples from situations at school, your previous workplace, or part of your everyday routine. This is probably a scenario which I know you can relate to. Imagine this: you're working from home, and your computer totally crashes. It won't reboot, and you have a presentation in 30 minutes. What do? It's so easy to focus on the problem in this situation, such as, I should not have ignored that notification to update my laptop software. But thinking negatively will only block your ideas and stop you from solving this problem. Take a breath and focus on finding a solution. Think about your time restraints first. You don't have time to call up laptop support just to be left on hold for hours. You'll have to find ways of solving this problem yourself. A big part of problem solving is incorporating other key skills which you already have. For example, team working. Are you messaging a friend, a classmate or co-worker to help you out? How are you being resourceful, such as quickly going through its manual or looking up online how to fix your computer? Are you thinking laterally, which means thinking creatively? For example, you choose to draw out your presentation and show it through your phone instead. Pause, count to 10, analyse each solution for the best option. Take responsibility and own your decision. The more problems that come your way, whether big or small, will improve your problem-solving skills. Practice makes perfect, and the more you practice, the easier it will be to discover patterns to problem solving. If you don't know where to start, here is a quick and easy formula to use when problem solving. Event plus response equals outcome. There are 3 aspects to this formula. Number 1, the event. You may not have control over the event, the problem, or the situation. But what you do have control of is number 2, your response. This will equal number 3, the outcome. This is the result of how you respond to external challenges. If you want a successful outcome, you need to check in on your communication, your thought process, and actions when problem solving. This is what you can control. Let's check in with Damani to see when he's applied this formula to a problem.
So I use it quite a lot actually, but specifically last year when lockdown happened, it caught me by surprise, as I'm sure it caught everyone by surprise. And that was the event. And obviously it hit everyone by surprise. My response was initially to kind of be in my feelings, sit on the sofa quite a lot, really kind of have that self-doubt. And then I thought, actually, I've got a platform, I've got something that I can use to inspire people. So I decided to work on a campaign called Our Lockdown, and we did about 15 videos of young people. I then pitched the idea to the mayor, and the outcome was that we did another campaign that ended up on West Ham Stadium called You've Got This.
Wow, amazing, thank you. Thanks guys for listening to the set. Take a moment and apply this formula to a problem that you may have. Start small, and remember, practice makes perfect. Take control for your successful outcomes. I'll leave you with this final thought. We cannot solve problems with the same thinking we use to create them.